You decide that it is safe to descend the depths slowly, and the ground rises upwards again as you reach another wall, slightly damaged but climbable if needed. You hear something low and quiet at first, then it comes nearer. You are certain you recognize this fearsome beast. It was a lion. Better be careful. You wisely traverse the outer path around the wall and find yourself heading east once more. There is the sound of running water as you reach a tall wooden fence that has seen better days. Your feet are frozen to the ground instantly. What is that noise? Yes, an elk. Not quite as scary as it sounded. That's it for this part. Check in the description to find other parts of this series.